These days, the only AI content that performs well on YouTube that people seem to care about is content on Claude. Every new model, new feature that's released, the latest plugin that's going viral, everyone rushes to make that next YouTube video. There are dozens of creators now in this space that are creating the same video every time we have a new model or a new release. And don't get me wrong, it's important to track with all the latest AI news, but I don't jive with just being a channel that covers all that instead of real engineering. That's what I want to give to you. And so I want to talk about that a little bit today and just give you a quick channel update as well, because I want to do a lot more live streaming now, showing you the real systems and real engineering principles of AI coding, not just the news. And so I'm going to start live streaming Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Central Time. I'm just going to try this for a couple of weeks and see if you like it. And so I'm going to be doing a lot of live building. I'll talk about what that looks like. And just for the next couple minutes here, I want to share why I'm doing this shift. And I've actually been live streaming a lot more recently already, multiple per week for the last few weeks, and I have been loving it. It's such an awesome format. And don't get me wrong, I still like making normal YouTube videos. I'm going to keep doing that once a week, but I want to try this new cadence of live streaming multiple times a week as well. I've gotten really good at making these streams interactive, answering all your questions. It's just such a great format to show you how I really use Claude Code and these other coding agents day to day, building out things like Archon and the Dark Factory. I'll talk about all that in a little bit. But yeah, this just really jives with my YouTube channel. If you search for Claude or Claude Code, you're going to just see so many of the exact same video. And I don't want to actually do the search right now because I don't want to call out any specific creators. I really do respect all the other AI content creators in this space. I just don't want to fall in that bucket. My channel has always been a bit deeper, where I'm covering, the principles of building your second brain and how to really build AI agents and use coding assistants in ways that actually scale. I want to keep up with that, even though the YouTube algorithm doesn't favor those things as much right now. And it's a big bummer for me, but I want to stick to what I really want to teach and what I think is the most fulfilling and useful. And I still will cover the AI news and the latest trends when I think it's important. Like when Karpathy released his LLM wiki architecture, I covered that. I covered Claude Agent Teams when that was released, so still covering some of the newest features, and I want to do that a lot, but the point is I'm not going to rush to make a video within 4 hours of that thing being released. I'm going to actually tinker with it, incorporate it into my systems, and then teach you that. So there's still a lot of substance and educational value from my content. So a lot of that mixed with the timeless principles that I've always wanted to focus on. And these live streams are going to allow me to keep making some YouTube videos on the latest trends in AI news while still giving you a lot of substance every single week, showing you how my AI coding process is evolving over time, building Archon live with you. There's so much value that I have planned for these streams. And one more thing I want to say on covering all the latest news and trends. One of the biggest reasons I don't want to do that is because I don't see as much value in those kinds of videos when you can just ask your coding agent how these new features work. Like especially with Claude Code, what I want to show you right here is that Claude has an internal skill to search its own documentation. So when a new feature comes out, like slash by the way, or the memory system with the dreaming, or we have routines that were added recently, sure, these videos can be helpful, and I'm not telling you to never watch them, but a lot of what you need you can get by simply asking Claude Code how this new feature works, and it has real-time access to up-to-date documentation to give you summaries and help you incorporate these ideas into your own systems, like your own agentic coding workflows and your own second brain. And so that, plus the fact that every single YouTuber seems to be covering the exact same thing, means that a majority of the videos that are coming out on YouTube right now, you just don't need to watch. And that's why I'm trying to be set apart, continuing to show you the more high leverage skills, not just new features. And I'm really not just trying to say that my videos are better. In fact, a lot of these guys and gals have such polished videos for all the new AI trends and news. It's pretty awesome. And I would recommend, picking one or two to follow. But I'm just trying to explain why I want to do something different, going more in this direction of deeper live streams, still keeping up a normal cadence for my usual content. And so for these live streams, I want to chat about this now a little bit. So again, 9 a.m. Central Time, every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. a lot of different things that I've been doing on my live streams. Especially, I want to keep working on Archon live with you. So this is my open source harness builder for AI coding. I'll link to a video right here where I give the introduction for it. This is a huge passion project of it, and I love building it live with you guys and also evolving the vision with you. So a lot more of this. I've also been working on my Dark Factory experiment, which is a code base that I'm handing the reins over completely to AI coding assistants. No human is allowed to review code or even write any code. And so working on these two things, a lot of other applications that I want to build with the help of Archon, this is what I have planned right now for my live streams. They're going to be super engaging. I want to just make sure that it's always full of a ton of educational value. So that's what I got going on for my channel right now. I don't have one scheduled yet, but by the time this video goes live, I will have my next live stream ready for you to enable notifications for. I'm going to do that this Saturday the 9th at 9 a.m. Central Time. So I'm going to really start my cadence here of Monday, Thursdays, and Saturdays starting this Saturday the 9th. And every live stream is going to be somewhere between an hour and a half and 2.5 hours. And after the stream is done, the recording automatically shows up on the live tab here for my channel. So if you can't make it to the live stream, you can still watch it and sift through it like a regular YouTube video if you would like. Plus, I am thinking about creating some kind of system where I can take these live streams and split them out into more polished videos to put on my channel. So the live stream is where you can really see me build out my system in real time. And then I'll take, the really good educational pieces and continue to put that out as regular videos on my channel. We'll see what it looks like. This is new to me, but it's important for me to experiment here because I want to make sure I'm giving you the most value possible in the sea of all of the Claude Code hype. So if you're sick of watching the same Claude hype videos every single week, come join me. Not that you have to ditch that content entirely. I want to reiterate that there is value there, but I just hope that my content with its unique value can make its way into what you watch on a weekly basis. With my Wednesday videos and my live streams, starting again with this Saturday live stream the 9th at 9 a.m. Central Time, the first one that I'm doing with this really consistent schedule. I'm going to be doing some live building with Archon, creating Archon workflows to make AI coding reliable and repeatable. So I hope to see you there, and also let me know in the comments if you're looking forward to these live streams. If you think it's a dumb idea, of course I'd want to know that as well. Let me know what you think, but yeah, I'd love to go on this journey with you as I experiment with some new content here, just trying to give you as much value as possible. And so if you appreciated this quick little update and you're looking forward to more live streams and more building with Archon and AI coding, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe. And with that, I will see you in the next video or live stream.